What do you like about being here at Christmas time?
Well, it's a place to sell my craft.
Yeah.
So, it's a good opportunity. And people enjoy buying my products,
Yeah. So you can do anyone's names.
Any name, only takes 3 minutes. Chain is included. Unbelievably cheap as well.
Yeah. And I'm sure you meet all types of characters out here.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's getting more interesting as the years go by because, there's a more diverse type of people living in Ireland. And so it's fascinating to, hear people's stories and, so that's wonderful.
What's the longest name you've ever made?
I was for somebody from Hawaii. It was about 25 letters in it, lots of K's and O's.
Yeah.
And they were very happy with it.
Yeah.
It was great value.
My dad is down here since he was only married 20. My daddy came down here, and then my mum came down when she married him. And then when we were growing up, we used to have to come down and hold balloons, sell balloons, blow them up and sell them. And we used to sell the cheeky Charlies. It was a little monkey that you used to sell, and I sold with my mother for all them years. And then when I had my second child, I got my own stall.
Yeah.
And that was 47 years ago. So I have my own stall now, 47 years.
Wow. And you like it?
Oh, love it. It's a tradition. It's a family tradition that we come down here. That's all we know every Christmas is come down here. Yeah.
And how has it changed? All the different things the kids are into now?
Yeah, the kids are into art. Every year it's something different. This year it's 6-7.
Yeah. Will you pass on this tradition then?
Yeah, well,
I'm her daughter, they've been working together.
Oh,
finishing in a couple
Kids
of
at the
years.
moment are saying no.
No.
They don't want to. I'm only here, this is only my third year.
Third year, okay. Yeah, no, because
But
I
you
was
did
chatting
that as
down
a child
I did as a child, they used to come down.
there. Yeah.
to help us.
Ah.
We'd only sell kind of 2 days in December annually. We wouldn't be here all the time.
Okay.
So we just do it kind of once off. But yeah, it is busy. I was here yesterday. Today is for some reason busier than yesterday. I suppose getting closer to the weekend.
What would you say?
My grandmother's.
Yeah, back to whatever it started.
Probably 700.
Yeah.
And what keeps you coming every year?
Well, we can't let it go. It's
It's
tradition.
not
You
that
have to.
Ireland was nothing without this. This is where we came from.
Yeah.
All these conglomerates that you see today.
Yeah.
But that wasn't like that. It was all sold off horseback, carriage.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's where my family comes from. We're all horse traders.
Yeah. It's been in your family for generations.
Yeah, so this was my mother's stall.
Yeah.
This one here was my grandmother's stall,
Okay.
which was then my auntie's stall, and she died. So now we're taking over this,
Okay.
and my son is taking over this one.
Okay.
So we're kind of keeping it in the
Doing
family.
it together. Yeah.
Well, it's a dying tradition,
yeah.
and so many of the shops are petitioning for the stalls to be removed.
Yeah.
I think a big thing in December was people look forward to the stalls being on the street. So from the 1st of December,
Yeah.
you're seeing the stalls, the excitement started, people kind of knew, it's here. And I think we've suffered over the years with with the city being built up, Lewis's, extra shopping centres, so the crowds don't be as big as they used to be. Everything is a lot more expensive. We try to do everything we can to work with people to keep the prices down, do them deals, keep them happy, have a laugh, share a smile, and just.
And that's what you like about it, probably, is the
100%.
atmosphere. And
100%. And that's what people come for.
Yeah.
To get into the Christmas spirit, they have a bit of banter, a bit of bartering for a good deal.
yeah.
It's just trying to keep the tradition
And
alive.
do you think you'll pass your son's already here with you,
Yeah,
so he'll be
He's
taking
at the
over
back.
from you then?
he'll be taking over.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Hopefully,
fantastic. Yeah.
But
Well,
it's been
thank
a
you.
long
Yeah.
time here, so.
Do you have any good, I suppose you started here as a boy,
Yeah.
when you were young. Do you have
Yeah.
some good memories from all that?
Loads.
Loads, yeah.
But I can also see the difference. So I'd have people coming over and saying, town is packed today.
Yeah.
When I think back, to the 1980s and the early 90s, you actually couldn't
move.
walk up the street. And, but again, I think people need a lift. And this is a big part of what does it. Do you know what I mean? With the prices of stuff in the shops, any bargains that you can get. And you do your best just to share a smile.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even if somebody comes up to the stall, they're asking questions, they stop for 5 minutes, it's somebody to talk, they probably live alone. Do you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I don't mind that, and that's I love that part of it.
That's nice.
It's the old Dublin spirit.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
I love that.
people came from nothing, they had nothing, but they had each other.